720p. First screen wile. 0, 6. Selected. Live button image button.
Okay, I think I'm live. I don't know how this works, but...
Send a message. Ellipsis. Text field. Vertical scroll bar. Show 100% of the content. 0%. Adjustable.
Anyways, if I am live, what's up, guys? This is Justin Ruland here, just testing out this whole Streamlabs thing. This is the first time doing this, so I don't know how this works, but playing around and...
Send a message. Ellipsis. Selected. Live button image button.
Let's see.
0, 32. First screen wile. 0.
Okay, so there's 0 watching, I think. All right. So, anyways, what's going on, everyone? I know it's been a while since I've uploaded. The last video I uploaded was my experience with iOS 13 video, but I just wanted to go... Oh, we got 1. Okay, cool. I just wanted to go live tonight just to see how everyone was doing, and yeah, so as I said, this is my first time using Streamlabs. I tried OBS, but, well, of course, you know, my luck, I can't get OBS to work, so there you go.
First screen wile.
Let me just see how you read the chats here, because I don't...
125. Random Content Studios. Hi.
Hey, what's up, Random Content Studios? But yeah, anyways, OBS has been giving me hell, so I'm just using Streamlabs because, well, I don't know, for me it's just easier, but yeah, we can talk about anything you guys want to talk about. I'm just...
Random Content Studios. Nothing much.
Yeah, same here, man. Like I said, just struggling with crap with OBS, but anyways, anything you guys want to talk about is fine. We can talk about anything. It doesn't have to be just technology. It can be whatever we want it to be. I mean, if you want to talk tech, that's cool, but you can do whatever you want. But in the meantime, I'm gonna give my impressions of watchOS 6, because I was gonna do a video about this, but I guess since I'm live now, I guess I might as well just kind of give my experience with it. So, I've been using the beta of watchOS since June 17th. Currently on beta 4, and overall, I will say that it is quite stable. I don't have much to complain about. My two favorite features of watchOS 6 right now are this.
11:07 p.m. at 9 seconds. Thursday, July 25th. No more events. Your day is clear.
Yep, that's the Siri male voice and voiceover. And I also like the taptic chimes feature. I think that's pretty nice. And also, as well, you can now change voiceover settings independently on the watch. You don't have to rely on the iPhone. Let me just scroll through here just to see.
Random Content Studios. Hi. 3:35. First screen wile. 1.
Okay, we're still at 1. Okay.
Random Content Studios. Nothing much. Selected. Live button image button.
Okay.
Random Content Studios. Nothing much.
All right. So yeah, you can independently control voiceover settings. You can check for software updates right on the watch as well, which is very nice. So overall, it's a nice update. I mean, of course, it's a beta, so there's still work that could be done. Although I haven't really found too many bugs in beta 4. Beta 3, I had a bit of an issue with messages crashing, but that seems to have been resolved, which is nice, because essentially what happened is I would go...
Triple Technology Master. I love how iOS 13. How voiceover is much faster than it used to be in iOS 6.
Oh, for sure, man. It does bring me back to the iOS 6 days. So anyways, AAA Technology Master, I'm just going to keep up to date on what's going on here. So I'm actually doing this live stream with Streamlabs. So, I mean, if you want to go live on your channel again, you can check out Streamlabs. It's pretty nice. Of course, there's some accessibility issues, some things that don't work, but it's it's usable. Just as long as you know, I know you're an efficient voiceover user, so I'm sure you could probably figure it out. But um, yeah, iOS 13 as well as WatchOS 6 are solid updates. I can't say anything about iPad OS or Catalina simply because I don't have an iPad or a Mac, so I can't really say much about them. But um, iOS 13 is very responsive. Now, I I haven't really had any lags at all, honestly. I remember running beta 2. Um, I had a bit of a lag with the app switcher. That was quite annoying. And also, one bug that still persists right now is I can't I can't clear my notifications. Well, okay, I can clear my notifications, but there's a glitch where when you try to swipe, when you go to the clear notification center heading and then you swipe up and you double tap, the notifications don't clear. But the one way you can work around that is double tap on the clear notification center heading, and then when it says confirm, double tap again, and it clears the notification. So that seems to help. Let's just check something.
Random Content Studios, nothing much. Random Content Studios, hi. 6:39. First screen wild. 1.
Okay, we're down to 1. Okay.
6. Random Content Studios, nothing much. Triple Light Technology Master, I love how iOS 13. How voiceover is much faster than it used to be in iOS 6. Selected. Live button image. Button. Triple Light Technology Master, I love how iOS 13. How voiceover is much faster than it used to be in iOS 6.
Okay.
Random Content Studios, by the way, the voice only works on Series 4.
Oh man, I'm sorry about that. That sucks. You know, I kind of, I kind of had a feeling that Apple was gonna do something like that, where it would only work on the Series 4, which is a 64 architecture based device. Man, that sucks. Um, I mean, I guess I understand why, but yeah, that kind of sucks. Um, because honestly, I think the Series 3 might. I mean, I don't think it would have much trouble handling the Siri voices, but I mean, I guess Apple ultimately decided that that's just not going to happen. Um, but yeah, um, I also wonder too if there's any other features that are missing from the series. I mean, obviously, like, well, actually, I don't think there are. I think the Series 3 has pretty much all the other features in WatchOS 6 besides the Siri voices. I'm pretty sure, but um, it is quite responsive on here though. I mean, it was in beta 3. It was very laggy. Same with beta. Actually, in beta 2, in beta 2 it was kind of inconsistent because sometimes it worked and sometimes it didn't. Um, but yeah, I mean, like I said, I'm not surprised that Apple kind of cut that out. But
Selected. Live button image. Random Content Studios, by the way, the voice only works on Series 4.
let me try something.
Audio looking off.
Oh,
Audio looking on.
okay, that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to see if I can actually. I wonder if a double tap on this chat.
Selected. Live. Random Content Studios, by the way, the voice only works on Series 4.
Let's see if it has a double tap on here.
Random Content Studios, the Series 3 will probably get it later. Selected. Live button image. Random Content Studios, the Series 3 will probably get it later.
Oh, yeah, maybe. Okay, nothing happens. I was gonna see if I could set moderators or time people out within Streamlabs, but I guess I can't. But I guess that's alright because a lot of times in my chats I don't have any. Actually, any live streams I never had any trolling. But let's see how long I've been going.
Random Content Studios, Triple Light Technology Master, Random Content Studios, 9:30.
9 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay.
Random Content Studios, Random Content Studios, by the way, the voice only works on Series 4. Random Content Studios, the Series 3 will probably get it later.
Yeah, I hope it does. Because, like I said, it should be able to handle it just fine. So I hope it does get it because if we're being honest, Samantha Compact is not. It's not the worst, but it's quite annoying. Um, but for those who are not running WatchOS 6 beta, Um, you can, I mean, you can download, you can get it from betaprofiles.com. You can get the developer profile. However, I will warn you that you are unable to restore your watch. So do it at your own risk. And also, your phone will have to be running iOS 13. But if you want to go back, if you do upgrade to watchOS 6 and you want to go back to watchOS 5, the only thing you're going to be able to do is go to your local Apple store and give your watch to them. They'll ship it to Apple, and then you'll get your watch back probably within a few days or a week. I don't know exactly the time frame, but you'll get it back, and they'll downgrade for you. Then they'll mail it back to you, and you just have to repair it again to your phone and whatever. But it's totally up to you. I mean, Beta 4, at least in my experience, is quite stable. iOS 13 is stable as well, although there are some annoying bugs that I am hoping get resolved very soon, and I'll probably end up leaving feedback about them because I mean they're just very annoying. Like, for example, sometimes I'll have screen curtain on and I'll lock my screen and the screen will just light up again even though screen curtain's on. That's one annoying bug. Another issue I'm experiencing is within the Mail app when I am replying to an email using Braille screen input. What tends to happen is Mail will completely lag out, and it's just annoying because I mainly reply to all my mail, especially all my work stuff, on this phone, and I hope Mail gets fixed soon because it's something I kind of rely on. But
Random Content Studios, by the way, the voice only works on Series 4. Triple Technology Master. I love how iOS 13. How voiceover is much faster. What used to be in iOS. Random Content Studios, nothing much. Random Content 12:43.
okay.
First screen wile 1. First screen wile.
Wait, did I mess up the title? I'm gonna have to check this after I'm done here because I probably messed up the title, knowing my luck. But
12:57. Random Content Studios, nothing much. Triple Technology Master. I love how iOS 13. Random Content Studios, by the way, the voice only works on Series. Random Content Studios. The Series 3 will probably get it later. Selected. Live button image button. Random Content Studios. The Series 3 will probably get it later.
okay. Let's see. Let me go.
Random 13. First screen wile 1.
Okay.
720p. Left curly bracket user message bracket. Left curly bracket message template left curly bracket in bracket.
How do I check?
Play button. 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 Live. YouTube heading. 29.12 FPS. Button. 30.42 FPS.
Oh, okay. So we're at
YouTube heading. 29.18 FPS.
29.18 frames per second. Okay.
Left button. Button. Button.
That's what I was trying to
Button.
check.
Left curly bracket in bracket.
I'm just playing around with this because this is my first time using this. I like it though.
Left curly bracket. Left curly 720p. 1. First screen wile. 13. Random Content Studios. High.
Okay.
Triple Technology. Random Content Studios. The Series 3 will probably get selected. Live button image button. Random Content Studios. The Series 3 will probably get it later.
All right. There we go. I'm probably gonna end this in a little bit here because my phone is getting quite warm, but I just wanted to come on here and talk for a little bit. I'll stay on for a few more minutes. Just wanted to kind of share what's been going on with me. By the way, I do want to make a. Well, I guess it's not really an announcement, but well, okay. I guess it is an announcement. There will be more. There will be. I will be starting to do more Windows and VM tutorials on my channel now because I have. I found a good not screen reading, if I can talk.
YouTube now. Red circle. Watch live now. Corrupt nation. Throw down number 57 with phone lines and Marvel's over for me.
Sorry about that. I did find a good screen capturing software for Windows. It's called Debut Screen Capture. Now, it's not free, but This website called blindhelp.net. I'm sure a lot of people know about it. Has a lot of cracks, and I ended up cracking it, and it's a very good screen capture software. I recorded a couple tests on it to see how good it was, and everything came out pretty well. So pretty soon there will be more computer tutorials, and I'll probably show you all how to install different Linux distributions in VMware, and maybe I'll do a basics for NVDA series. I'll try a bunch of different things and see what sticks and what doesn't. But yep, there will be more Windows tutorials, and I'm looking forward to doing that because I've always wanted to expand my channel. I of course, doing all the mobile stuff is what got me to where I am now, but I'd like to also do a lot of the not phone, oh my gosh, I can't speak tonight. A lot of the computer tutorials as well. I'd like to do more of those, so.
Random Contact Studios. My iPad didn't get the Siri voice when iOS 11 first came out, but eventually got it.
Oh, yeah, well, yeah, then maybe I guess, yeah, then maybe it is possible for the watch that it will get it too. Maybe either in the next beta or the official release, or maybe they'll do it for the Series 3 and like watchOS 6.1 or something. I don't know how. We'll see how Apple does it. I'm not exactly sure how they'll do it, but either way, hopefully you do get them because, excuse me, they're very nice. Which, now we're talking about that, I'm actually going to show you guys how to toggle them on and off. So what we're going to do.
11:21 p.m. and 30 seconds. Dock, weather, setting, messages, settings.
We're going to go to settings.
Settings, heading, general. Do not, airplane mode, Bluetooth. Accessibility, Siri, accessibility.
Accessibility.
Vision, heading, voiceover, on.
And we're going to click voiceover.
Switch button. 67%, adjustable. Voiceover volume, 100%. Siri voice, switch button, on.
And this is a toggle you just do.
Off.
And now we're on Samantha Compact, and if you do this,
on.
We're back to Siri voices. Now, how this works is
watch face.
Whatever voice you're using for Siri, whether it's male or female, and whatever language, it will, when you toggle on use Siri voice, that will be the voice that your watch uses. So I think it's a nice feature. I like it. It's quite responsive, and like I said, overall I think watchOS 6 is pretty good. But one more thing I wanted to mention too about my uploads and stuff like that is I was gonna do a video about how to set up activities in VoiceOver, and I'm still gonna do that. However, it's probably not gonna be a screen recorded video because back in, I think it was in beta 3, I did my experience with iOS 13 video, and screen recording was actually quite nice. Well, for some reason, I don't know, screen recording is being weird again, where when I play the recording back, VoiceOver comes out quiet again. It doesn't come out clear and loud like it did before when I recorded that last video. So I'm gonna figure that out. But either way, I'm gonna get that video out at some point, either this weekend or whenever I can. Tomorrow afternoon I'm gonna be busy. So I mean, of course tomorrow night I'll be free, but I got a event through work tomorrow, so I'm gonna be attending that, and that should be fun. It's from 4 to 6 p.m. Eastern, so that'll be cool. But yeah, there there'll be more tutorials coming out on my channel as far as Windows goes. I think the first one I'm going to do is probably how to install either Ubuntu Mate or Linux Mint. I wanted to do Debian, but the Debian ISO I got is corrupt, I think, so I could go grab a new one. It's Debian 9 stretch, but I think it's a corrupt ISO because I have a VM of it already, but it won't boot. So I'm gonna get a new one. I'm gonna either, like I said, we're gonna do Mint first, or Ubuntu Mate first. Then we'll probably move on to Debian or whatever Linux distribution you guys would like me to show you how to install and perhaps check out. Because I've really been getting into Linux lately, and I think it's a really good operating system. I enjoy it. Still learning it, of course, learning terminal and all that. But anyway, guys,
Random Content Studios. The series 3 will probably get it later. Random Content Studios. By the way, the voice only works on the series. Triple Technology Master. I love iOS 13. Random Content Studios. Nothing much. Random Content Studios. 21, 24. First screen wile. 1.
Anyway, guys, I've been streaming for
First screen wile. 21, 31. Random Content Studios. Nothing much.
over 21 minutes, so I'm going to end this stream and probably watch it back for a little bit just to see how it turned out. But
Triple Technology Master. I love Random Content Studios. Articles selected. Live button image button.
thank you, AAA Technology Master and Random Content Studios, for joining. And whoever else watches the replay, hopefully you enjoy the stream. And I will talk to you all later. Peace out, everyone.
Selected. Live button. Alert. End YouTube session. You can hear end event. Archive on YouTube. Or keep active. Finish event button. Keep active button. Cancel button. Cancel button. Keep active. Finish event button. You can hear end event. Archive on YouTube. Or keep active so you can resume it later. Finish event button. Keep active button. Cancel button.
Okay. All right.
Finish event button.
That's how it works. Okay.